meeting new people face to face.
Seriously, when's the last time you went out and had a blast?
First got to go over there, just stand at the steps right there.
Or visit lotsofevents.com. That's 888-600-5999.
So, have you ever wondered what it would be like not to be able to do it?
Come on, let's go.
Very well.
Nighttime.
Yeah, come over here and get outside.
Somebody go down the slide. Yeah, do it.
Why?
Somebody go down the slide.
Me? No. I'm not scared.
Yeah, go, Jack.
Okay, I'm not scared. I am.
Watch Guinness.
Alright, let's go take a nap. Yeah. Just say you have to.
Yeah, or that she might jump in after them and then they'll land on her.
I love
Go, Jack.
See? I told you I'm not afraid. Told you I'm not afraid.
Look, she's walking around. Who's next? Who's next?
Am I not afraid, Chris? Stop it.
Get on the slide.
Who's going again? Who's going next? She's waiting. She's waiting
Am I afraid or not?
She's waiting for somebody else to go down the slide.
Or not?
Huh?
Am I afraid? No.
I didn't say you were afraid.
I get you.
Go get us. Shit.
I'm afraid you. I'm afraid you. I'm not afraid you.
I said you're.
You're a brave boy.
I'm not afraid you.
Go get her.
Ooh, I didn't know what.
All right. Go, Jack. Go. What are you scared of? Go. Move, Pay. Move.
Forever gonna be is me. Why you gotta be so mean?
Damn. Missed it.
Now you go.